Hi, today I'm going to tell you how to install Python and the required libraries to run the Python code, especially the Python scripting code. So let's get started. Uh, First of all, you have to install the Python in your computer. For that, you just have to go to this URL and download the Python from here. Then you have to install it in your PC. You just have to keep one thing in mind here. You have to check on the add Python to your path, so that's gonna be required at the end. Otherwise we will have to locate the Python every time to run the code. And after that, let's create the environment. We're not gonna install libraries and everything globally in your system. That's gonna affect the performance. So it's always recommended to create an environment and install whatever you want to install there, so that doesn't affect your PC or the performance of the PC. So it's quite simple. All you have to do is to make a new folder where you want to create the project, where you want to create the environment, and within this you have to open it. And here in the directory you just have to write the cmd. It will open the command prompt, and here is just a bit about a couple of commands we have to put in to create the environment, and it's super simple. You just have to write down these commands, and this will create the environment in your folder. In the background you will see the environment has been created here, and we have a couple of folders inside this environment. You see it's done, and now you have to close this, and next step is to go into the your environment and open the script folder. This is where we will install the libraries and everything which is required. So here again in this folder, let's open the command prompt, and again we have to activate the environment we just created. For that, let's do this. I will have to just write activate here. You say it is activated the environment. You will see env written here. That means our environment has been activated, and here we will just install the libraries we need. And for example, if we are running a code, a scraping code, it looks like this most of the time. So if we analyze the code, we will see we need these 4 libraries. We need request, we need bs4, we need json, and we need xlwt. So we will install these libraries one by one here. So for that we just have to write this command: pip install requests json bs4 and xlwt. So once this got installed, that's all we need. We will simply run the code. Oops. Okay, let's do it one by one. This is getting installed, so we will install the json, we will install the bs4, and same command: pip install json, pip install bs4, and pip install xlwt. That's it. So I'm not going to install everything because I already have an environment created. I already have installed all of these libraries, so I just close the installing process. I will now tell you how to run the code. And for that, this is my environment, and here you need to make sure the code is placed in the script folder. So once there, all you have to do is to open the CMD in this folder and write the code name followed by py. Py tells the system that is a Python file, and you have to hit the enter. And sorry, I haven't activated the environment, so now it's activated. And see, I will have to just give the command scraper name and followed by $, and this should run the code. You see the code is running. Whatever is in the code, that's gonna start happening. So this is it. The code, you can see the code is running. So just stopped it because the purpose of the video is not to scrape the data, but just to tell how to scrape the data. So another thing I want to tell you, if you want to run this code with the VS Code, you just have to open the code in the VS Code, and the step is simple. You have to locate the folder where script is placed and where all the installations have been done. So it's always script folder. So once selected, it's done, and later the next process is send. You have to choose CMD from here, and once done, you will have to activate the environment as always. And once activated, you will just have to pass the code name followed by .py, and that's it. That's done. The course will start running. So this is how you run the Python scraping code with the VS Code and with the CMD. I hope you're gonna understand the video, and if you need any help, you just type it down. I will surely get back to you on it. Thank you.